Hey everyone! Welcome to our beginner-friendly deep dive into PPC, also known as pay-per-click advertising. If you've ever seen those ads at the top of a Google search or while scrolling through Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube and thought, how does that work? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about PPC from scratch, no experience required. So, let's start with the basics. PPC is a form of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. It's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically like you would with SEO. This method is widely used in digital marketing because it delivers fast, targeted traffic. Whether you're running a local business, managing an e-commerce store, or offering digital services, PPC can put your product or service in front of the right people at the right time. Think of it this way. Imagine you own a pizza shop and someone in your area searches for best pizza near me on Google. If you've got a PPC campaign running, your ad could show up right at the top. When they click it, they're taken straight to your site and you pay for that click. It's immediate and measurable. Now, there are several major PPC platforms you can use, but the most popular ones are Google Ads, Facebook Ads, including Instagram, YouTube Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and Amazon Ads. Google Ads is great for capturing search intent, people actively looking for something. Facebook and Instagram are fantastic for visual storytelling and targeting specific audiences based on interests, behaviors, and demographics. LinkedIn is your go-to for B2B campaigns, especially if you're targeting professionals or decision makers. Amazon ads work best if you're selling physical products directly on Amazon. One of the best parts of PPC is the flexibility. You can start with a small budget, adjust your bids, set daily caps, and pause or edit your campaigns anytime. Plus, every part of your campaign is trackable. You'll know how many people saw your ad, clicked on it, and even whether they made a purchase or signed up. It's all data-driven, which means you can test, optimize, and scale what works. Now, let's talk about setting up your first campaign. Say you go with Google Ads. You start by selecting your campaign objective. Do you want traffic, leads, sales? Then you define your audience, location, language, demographics, interests. After that, you pick your keywords, the search terms you want your ads to show up for. For example, if you're promoting a fitness coaching service, you might target keywords like online personal trainer, weight loss coaching, or home workout plans. You'll use Google's Keyword Planner to find keyword ideas and check their competition and cost per click estimates. From there, you write your ads, clear, concise, and persuasive headlines with a strong call to action. Something like, "Get fit fast. Try 1 week free coaching," works better than a bland "fitness programs online." You want your ad to stand out and invite people to click. Then comes your landing page, the page users arrive at after clicking your ad. This page must deliver what your ad promised. If your ad says 1 week free coaching, your landing page should immediately show that offer, with an easy-to-spot sign-up form or button. Avoid distractions on this page. Focus on conversion. The more relevant and targeted your landing page is, the better your quality score in Google Ads. And a higher quality score can lower your cost per click and improve your ad rank. The same principle applies across other platforms. The better your ad relevance and landing page experience, the more efficient your spend will be. Next, let's dive into audience targeting, one of the most powerful features of PPC. On Facebook, for example, you can target people based on age, gender, location, hobbies, job titles, life events, and even behavior like recent travel or online shopping. If you're selling handmade candles, you could target users who follow home decor pages, recently moved, and are interested in aromatherapy. On Google, targeting is keyword-based, but you can also use audience segments like affinity audiences or in-market segments to show ads to people who've shown interest in similar products. You can even use remarketing to reach people who've already visited your website but didn't take action. Have you ever seen an ad follow you around after you visited a website? That's PPC retargeting in action, and it works because it reminds people of something they already showed interest in. Retargeting often results in higher conversion rates and lower acquisition costs because the audience is already warm. But what makes a PPC campaign successful? It all comes down to relevance, timing, testing, and tracking. You want to make sure your ad copy resonates with your audience, that your offer is clear, and your landing page makes it easy to take the next step. Split testing, or A/B testing, is key here. Run 2 versions of your ad with slight differences, maybe a different headline or image, and see which one performs better. Then scale the winner. Also keep a close eye on your metrics. CTR, click-through rate, CP, cost per click, conversion rate, and ROAS, return on ad spend. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs tweaking. For example, a low CTR might mean your ad isn't compelling enough, while a high CPC could mean your keyword is too competitive. The beauty of PPC is that you can react in real time. Pause underperforming ads, shift budget to better performing ones, and refine your targeting on the fly. Now, let's talk mistakes. A big one is targeting too broadly. If your audience is everyone, your ad will reach no one. Be specific. Narrow your targeting to reach the people who are most likely to convert. Another common mistake is not setting up conversion tracking. If you don't track what happens after someone clicks your ad, you're flying blind. Set up Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel so you can track leads, sales, form submissions, whatever your goal is. Also, avoid sending ad traffic to your homepage. Always send people to a specific landing page that matches the intent of the ad. And don't forget mobile users. Make sure your ads and landing pages are optimized for mobile, as the majority of traffic today comes from smartphones. If you're wondering about budget, here's the good news. You don't need a fortune to get started. You can launch a campaign with as little as $5, $10 per day and still get meaningful data. Start small, learn what works, then scale. Focus on ROI, not just traffic. Would you rather get 100 clicks and 0 sales or 10 clicks and 3 sales? Always chase the conversions, not the vanity metrics. PPC is also great for testing new offers or products. You can validate an idea quickly without building a full campaign. Just create a landing page, run ads to it, and see if people convert. This is super valuable for entrepreneurs and startups who want to avoid wasting time and resources. Another powerful strategy is using PPC alongside other channels. For example, use PPC to drive traffic to a lead magnet, a free guide, checklist, or webinar, and build your email list. Then follow up with email marketing to nurture those leads and convert them over time. You can also use PPC to retarget people who've engaged with your brand on social media or watched your videos. It's all about creating a cohesive funnel that moves people from awareness to action. In summary, PPC is one of the fastest, most flexible, and most measurable forms of online advertising. It allows you to reach your ideal audience, test offers quickly, and scale what works, all while keeping your costs under control. Whether you're a freelancer, a local business owner, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or a digital marketer, PPC can help you drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. Just remember, start with a clear goal. Know your audience, craft compelling ads, create landing pages that convert, and track everything. With time, testing, and a bit of patience, PPC can be a game changer for your brand or business. So go ahead, launch that first campaign, analyze the results, learn from the data, and keep improving. You've got this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments. We read every one. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.